Welcome to Apptoberfest. Today, we're going to explore the concept of time in status for Jira Cloud and draw a tasty comparison to our time spent in the kitchen. Just like in cooking, where timing is everything, time in status for Jira Cloud is the secret ingredient that can help your team stay efficient and productive. Let's dive in. In the kitchen, we all know that perfect timing is crucial. You don't want to overcook or undercook your dish. Imagine trying to cook without a timer, chaos, right? Well, it turns out that managing your tasks in Jira is a bit like cooking. Enter time in status for Jira Cloud. Time in status for Jira Cloud allows you to track each task's length in different workflow stages. It's like knowing exactly how long your ingredients are simmering, baking, or marinating. So, just as in the kitchen, where you'd use timers for each cooking stage, in Jira Cloud, you use time in status to ensure tasks move smoothly through your workflow. Moreover, like a well-coordinated kitchen crew. With time in status, everyone knows when a task is ready for the next step, just like in the kitchen, where each team member knows their role and timing. In the end, just as a perfectly timed dish delights the palate, Jira Cloud, with time in status, ensures your projects are delivered on time, with efficiency and precision. So, there you have it. Time in status for Jira Cloud is your recipe for success, whether you're in the kitchen or managing projects. Make sure you're using it to perfect your workflows and serve up success. Thank you for joining us at Apptoberfest. Ready to get started? Try our app for free. Guten Appetit!